Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off shuffle on Amazon Music. If you've been listening to your playlists or albums in random order and prefer to hear them in their intended sequence, this quick adjustment will get you back on track. First, open your web browser and navigate to music.amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged in successfully before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your library and playback features. After you're signed in, it's time to select what you want to listen to. Open a song, album, or playlist of your choice. This could be anything from your saved playlists to a newly discovered album. The key here is to get something playing so you can access the playback controls where the shuffle setting lives. Now look at the playback controls on your screen. You'll see several buttons that control how your music plays. Find the shuffle button, which is represented by two crossed arrows. This button toggles shuffle mode on and off. When shuffle is active, your music plays in a random order rather than following the original track sequence. Click the shuffle button to turn it off. You'll notice that when shuffle is enabled, the button appears highlighted or in a different color. Once you click it, that highlighting should disappear, indicating that shuffle mode is now turned off. If it's still highlighted after the first click, click it again to ensure it's completely deactivated. With shuffle now turned off, your music will play in order rather than random order. This means if you're listening to an album, you'll hear the tracks exactly as the artist intended them to be experienced, from the first track to the last in sequential order. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off shuffle on Amazon Music and can now enjoy your music in its proper sequence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.